Yeah, just came to check on a couple of things. I had a passion I'd kept to myself. It was then I decided, no more waiting. Hey Kia, what's the best way to train my stamina for boxing?
To train your stamina for boxing,
to go after. And look straight at what I've been longing for. To awaken the passion I've kept deep within. And at that moment on stage, the tension, the excitement. And the feeling of achievement all collided. Yeah, just finished the match. On my way now. I finally took the wheel, with the full strength of my potential.
Kia, movement that inspires.